welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Maggie Hardy. Hi, welcome. How are y'all doing? I know I've been absent for a little bit, but I'm back again. You guys, I can't wait to see what this year has to hold for us. Since this is my first video of 2019, Happy New Year. I really hope that y'all's holiday were blessed. So our video for today, I'm going to be using the Ultimate Matte BH palette, eyeshadow palette again, because in my last video, I did more of a glam look and y'all said that y'all wanted more tutorials with this palette. So I'm going to do more of a colorful look today. So before we get into the video, you guys subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a part of my family and one of my VIPs. Also, don't forget to check the description box. All my social medias are linked down below. I would love to have y'all. So without further ado and me blabbing my mouth, let's get into this tutorial. Okay, so for Christmas, I got the P. Louise base. I have been using this and testing it out. Since it took me so long to do my intro, it did crease on me just a little bit. So I'm gonna go in here and fix this up. Also, you don't have to use a P. Louise base. You can use regular concealer, you can use the paint pot, whatever primer that you have when you use is great. I love using concealer and I have been loving using this P. Louise base. We're gonna go in for a colorful kind of look today. She is absolutely stunning. There's so many looks that you can do with this palette. It's unbelievable. I'm gonna take a small little brush like this. We're going to dig into this yellow right here. And I'm going to put this right here in this corner. I'm going to start blending it in. I'm going to take it about 3/4 of the way in, or 1/4 of the way in. Ever so lightly blend out these little edges here. After that, we're going to dig into this orange shade right here. And I'm going to stamp this. Once I get the pigmentation that I want, I will keep going in and start ever so lightly blending these edges out. And then also taking this into the yellow to blend with the yellow. And when you go to blend, you want to make sure that you're just barely blending this out. Go into this pink shade right here. And again, I'm just going to stamp this into place. Going back in, I'm going to go back in with that orange shade just to intensify that some more. You don't want to lose that orange, and to blend in with the pink. For the last shade, we're going to go in to this purple, and this I'm going to pack on the outer V of my eye. Okay, and this purple take down onto my lower lash line, and after that going back in with that pink to just lightly blend it out. Okay, so now that we have this, I'm going to go in with the P. Louise base on the back of my hand. This is the brush that I use to cut my crease, so you guys go in and cut your crease. Okay, once I have that crease cut, I'm going to go in with what I have left of that purple shade. Start blending this inward. Okay, so now I'm going to go into a lighter pink. We're going to go into this pink right here. Okay, and for the middle shade, we're going to go into this pink right here. Other than that, we're going to go in for the lash line, and we're going to do this purple. Blend in the rest of the pink. And then I'm just going to go in and I'm going to coat my lashes with some mascara or my falsies. For lashes today, I'm going to go in with the Lily Lashes. This is in the style Hollywood. Okay, after that we'll go ahead and we'll coat our lower lash line. Okay, so for my brow bone and my inner corner highlight, I'm going to go in with the Artist Couture. This is the Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati. And I'll just hit up my brow bone and also my inner corner. Okay, so I'm going to go finish the other eye off camera. I know that this is probably driving everyone crazy because it's driving me crazy. But I'll fix it. I'm going to go do the other eye and then we will be back. Okay, once I finish everything up and I get my lashes on, I'm going to take the Fenty Fly Liner. I like to take a liner and connect my lashes to the inner corner of my eye, because when you take pictures, it looks hideous. first of all, and then also I just don't like to have that blank space because I do wear the false lashes. So I will take this liner and just fill up that strip from my lash band to the inner corner of my eye. Okay, you guys, and this is the finished look. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. It's just something colorful, something fun. You guys, like I said, this palette is so multi-use. There's so many colors in here. There's so many looks that you can do with this palette. I do plan on doing one more look with this palette, more of a neutral kind of everyday look with this palette, just to give y'all some more options of what you can in palette. Like I said, you guys, this thing is $24. You get 42 all matte shadows. Wonderful, wonderful price. Great quality. I really enjoy these palettes. So you guys, thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. I know my views are going to struggle for a while because I've been gone for about 3 weeks, but it's okay. You guys subscribe before you leave, and I cannot wait to see y'all on the next video. You guys go spread some love and kindness, and let's make this world a better place, one video and one person at a time. Bye, y'all.